Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you pay gift card on your DoorDash app. We're going to figure out this relation or know how you can do that on your DoorDash app. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on account down here, then it's going to take you here in this list on your account. So all you have to do now, just click here on payment methods here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just waiting to open video like this and you go down, you click here on redeem my gift card to add credits here, then you come to this list, you click here on the gift card here, so then it's going to take you to next step here to choose card here you want to add. So just waiting to open video, and here you choose card, and so here, and when you choose it, you add price you want to add, and you just, and you add custom here, and you add your information number, then it's going to it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.